Team B. Hey, Leo, what do you have there?
My sack.
A sack? Let's see. Whoa, special delivery. Merry Christmas, it says. Can you open it up? See what's inside. Wow.
It's our book.
It's a book. Oh man, I love this book. The Poky Little Puppy's First Christmas. Leo, do you want to read this with us?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll show you guys the pictures and then I'll show you a picture too.
Okay.
Okay. The Poky Little Puppy's First Christmas by Justine Korman, illustrated by Jean Chandler. Four little puppies tumbled out of bed one morning and ran to their breakfast bowls. They counted themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now where in the world is that Poky puppy, they wondered. Poky was still fast asleep. His mother nudged him, nudge, nudge, and said, "Come on, Poky, today is Christmas Eve." Poky yawned, and stretched. Even on a special day like Christmas Eve, he was still Poky.
What's going to happen next?
Let's see. Poky's family, the McCraes, were off to the woods this morning to find a tree. And the puppies were going along too. Poky ran to catch up. Then Poky smelled something. He slowed down to see what it could be. What could it be? Leo, what could it be that he smelled? What could it be? There's not many clues. Maybe a hole. Oh, let's see. That's when Poky stumbled, slipped and slid down into a deep, dark hole. You were right. "Help, help," he cried. Wouldn't someone come to help him out of this slippery, slidey hole?
I know, he could just climb up there and then climb up there and then jump out.
Well, let's see. "I'll help you," said a friendly voice. "My name is Herman." Poky looked up to see a young skunk peering over the edge of the hole. Herman climbed down into the hole beside Poky, pushed Poky up and out of the hole. See?
Yeah.
"You smell funny," said Poky. Herman sniffed. "Oh, you smell funny too," he said. "Let's play." Herman led Poky to a frozen pond, and the two new friends slid back and forth across the cold, shiny ice. What fun! You see?
Yes.
Over in the woods, the McCraes had found a perfect Christmas tree near a hollow log. Mr. McCrae raised his axe and whack, whack, whacked until crack, the tree fell. The four little puppies barked excitedly. Poky heard his sister Pickles call, "Poky, come on, Poky!" He was sorry to have to say goodbye to his new friend. "It's easy to find me," said Herman. "I live in a hollow log just over the hill." Uh-oh, what just happened near the hollow log? Uh-oh, looks like the Christmas tree fell on the hollow log. Uh-oh. Poky ran through the snowy woods toward home. Suddenly, he saw something. Poky stopped to sniff the strange object up and down. It was an old red rubber boot. The boot was too wonderful to leave behind, so Poky dragged it all the way home. "You're late," Poky's mother scolded gently when he came through the gate. "See what I found?" exclaimed Poky. His mother shook her head and said firmly, "You can't take that messy, muddy old boot into the house." Sadly, Poky left the boot in the garden by the gate. After dinner, the puppies helped decorate the Christmas tree. When the tree was glowing and winking, blinking lights and shimmery glass balls, Poky's mother told her puppies all about Christmas. "And to celebrate this special day, we give each other presents," she said at last. Then she sent the puppies to bed. What a beautiful tree. You want to see the tree?
Yes. I see it. Love the tree.
It's beautiful. What's your favorite ornament?
What is yours?
I like those the teddy bear on there. How about you?
I like the popcorn.
Oh, and friends, you can take a look. What do you like the best? Let's see what's going to happen. Poky, of course, was the last to reach the cozy cushion where the puppies slept. His brothers and sisters soon fell asleep, dreaming of rubber balls, biscuits, and bones. But Poky stayed awake thinking sadly about his red rubber boot. On Christmas morning, the puppies raced to the tree and found presents just for them. Poky tore his package. "My boot!" he cried happily, "and it's all shiny and clean." What a great gift! They had cleaned up the boot that he loved so very much. Would you like a red rubber boot for Christmas?
No.
Maybe a pair. What would you do with just one? After breakfast, a gentle snow began to fall. Poky's brothers and sisters went off to play in the meadow. "Poky, please don't be late for Christmas dinner," said Poky's mother. Poky ran out the gate, across the meadow, and into the woods to find Herman. Do you remember who Herman was?
Yes, the skunk.
The skunk. It took a long time, but Poky finally found Herman. He was wet, cold, and miserable. "What happened?" asked Poky. Herman pointed to a crushed, hollow log. "That was my home," he sniffed. The McRaes had crushed it accidentally when they cut down their Christmas tree. Oh man, this is a super big problem. What should they do? What should they do? What would you do?
I would wait until Christmas morning and give him a ginormous present, and then he opens it and it's a ginormous log for him.
Oh, that's an idea. Let's see what actually happens in the story. Poky felt sorry for Herman. The little skunk was alone in the cold, snowy woods, and he had no home. So Poky took Herman home with him. Poky's mother was surprised to find that her puppy had made friends with a skunk. But Poky's mother felt sorry for Herman too. That night, she let him sleep in the doghouse she and her puppies shared in the summer. And Poky gave up his warm, cozy bed in the McRae's house to keep his friend company. Well, that's nice. See? I'm snuggled up.
Yeah.
That's nice. The next morning, the most amazing thing happened. The Poky Little Puppy was first out of bed. "Where in the world is that Poky Little Puppy?" everyone wondered. The puppies and their mother and Herman followed Poky's tracks in the cold, crunchy snow. They went out the gate, across the meadow, and right to the edge of the wintry woods. Come and look! Look at Herman's new home, called Poky. Herman's new home! It's a Christmas miracle. I wonder what it's going to be.
What is it?
Let's see.
A boot.
Why, it's your boot! Exclaimed Poky's mother.
A boot.
Merry Christmas, Herman, said Poky, even if it's a day late. Poky's mother was very proud of her puppy. It was only his first Christmas, but Poky had already learned that the best gifts of all are the ones that you give. Thanks for joining us here, Team V. Today we read the Poky Little Puppy's First Christmas. Let's do our handshake. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys. Bye.